All right, so we got the seal on right here. He locked in for a run, so we're gonna try it out. See what it can do. He said he might spin, so he wants to do a higher roll. We're gonna try a 65 roll. Damn, look at the cars. You can't even see it, but there's a lot of cars back there. Oh,
what's the channel?
Jewel City. What? Jewel City. Yeah. Trying to get more runs with the V8s because those are always funny. We're gonna try to see if we can catch one maybe on the way back. All right, so we out here. We're trying to check out some cars, see what it's all about.
What's up, brother?
How you been?
Chilling. What you been up to?
Yeah.
I see you.
Hanging out.
Travel and shit.
Yeah. Trying to see if we could find some runs. Yeah, they didn't have that many V8s out tonight, man. Those are like an SS, 5th gen. Scat packs. Oh, we don't want those. So this one just pulled in. I'm gonna try to see if we can catch a run with them. We gotta find the owner though. CTSV. Hey yo, you guys know who's the owner of the black one right here? Yeah.
It's mine.
Oh, it's you?
Yeah.
You got any mods done on it or? Sure. I'm trying to look for some cars to race.
What do you have?
GTI.
Oh, GTI?
Yeah, it's like fixed up though. Just trying to see if I can catch the runs on the way back.
Is it that red one?
Nah, there's another white one. It's in the back over there. You can't see it from here. What's going on, guys? You guys know who's the owner of this one, the Mustang?
Yeah, he was just here. But
oh yeah?
He's in the group I'm with AK.
Yeah, I'm kind of just walking around trying to see if I could catch any runs with anyone on the way back.
Yeah.
See what's up. Yeah, man. It's Jewel City. Yeah, I kind of just come out to the meet sometimes. I do a lot of GTI videos. That's what I drive. Yeah, so I'm just trying to see who I can line up against. Just trying to have some fun.
I haven't dynoed it, but
for sure.
I'm pretty sure he's probably like one On a good day, like 420 to the roof.
420? Okay.
It's just mild bolt-on.
It's not full bolt-ons, though. Is it on E85?
Yeah, it's on E.
Yeah.
I recently went on E, but...
What's up? Jules, yeah.
Yeah, I wanted to just hit you up. I was trying to get you run with you, but let you get
Which one were you?
the red one.
Oh shit, that was you?
Yeah, I was gonna get with you, but then the SRTA one, so I was like, I gapped him like 4 times. So.
Shit. What do you have done to yours?
C10s, 3.5 downpipe.
We're close, guys. We're close. We're trying to line it up with somebody. Trying to find somebody to line up with. Someone, that'll be a good match. I want it to be a fair race. Did see there's a Hellcat I just pulled in right here. Maybe he's down. Let's see what's up. Shit. That shit clean, bro. Yeah. Jewel City?
No. I don't race in this car. I race in my Camaro.
So this one's just like the cruiser or what? Yeah, man. Alright. This is all BMWs, fuck. Yo, what is that? Crazy. That's that big body. Body's so big, don't even fit into the frame. Damn. Alright guys, so we tried to look for a car to race, but honestly, a lot of these cars are stock, or that's what they're saying. So I don't know if it'll be a fun run or like a close match. We'll see how it goes. Spot number 2. Maybe someone will just randomly line up on the way back.
It's fully built.
Hey,
I just had to put all the parts on it.
yeah. You still have the dock kit on it?
Yeah, right now, yeah. Right now, I still have the hybrid on it, but I.
Hey, you down to run it?